This machine makes people money every day, and I'm going to show you why. This machine is called brake disc machine, brake lathe machine, or skimming machine. The machine is designed to resurface rough or uneven brake disc to ensure it is perfectly smooth or even. Brake disc or rotor normally becomes rough over time and needs to be resurfaced or completely changed for efficient brake performance. In most cases, resurfacing the brake disc is the number one option, making this machine a high in demand machine. Before I share with you why this machine makes money every day, let me quickly go through the type of brake disc resurfacing machines. The first type of brake lathe machine is on-car brake lathe machine. This type of brake disc machine is attached directly to the vehicle brake disc, allowing the disc to be resurfaced while still mounted on the car. The brake disc does not need to be removed from the vehicle before it can be resurfaced, which saves mounting and dismounting time. But you will always need a well-level floor or ground to achieve better resurfacing results. The second type is off-car brake lathe machine. This type requires the brake disc or drums to be removed from the vehicle and mounted on the lathe machine for resurfacing. It provides greater flexibility to work with brake disc and drums, but you always need to remove the brake disc or drum before it can be resurfaced. The third type is bench brake lathe machine. This type is similar to or same as the off-car brake lathe machine, but it is mounted on a bench and mostly do both disc and drum resurfacing. It requires comparatively a bigger space to occupy and operate. It is versatile and can be used for a variety of disc and brake drum jobs. Offering brake disc resurfacing services attracts many customers who want cheaper way or cost-effective way to maintain their brakes. For example, changing the brake disc completely is very expensive compared to resurfacing the disc to achieve the same result or standard of brake performance. So many car owners will rather resort to resurfacing their brake discs while they wait to change them in the future. I am sure you are now getting why this machine makes money every day. But let's go through the specific reasons why it makes money every single day. If you are planning to set up or upgrade your auto repair shop, I have set up packages that includes all modern tools and equipment you need to set up. I and my team in China ship them directly from China to your address. Number one, this machine is high in demand. Brake issues are common and many vehicles require brake disc or drum resurfacing as part of their regular maintenance. This means many cars need this service, therefore ensuring daily income flow. Number two, cost-effective repairs. Resurfacing brake disc and drums is often more cost-effective for customers than replacing these components entirely. Number three, safety issue. Car brakes ensure safety on the road, so every car owner or driver always pay good attention to his or her car brakes and rectifies issues as soon as possible. And this gives brake service shops high advantage to see sales daily. So if the brake issue is linked to the brake disc and needs or requires the brake disc to resurface, car owners or drivers will not hesitate but do it as soon as possible, making this machine cash out daily. The next is customer retention. Offering comprehensive brake maintenance services with this machine builds loyal customers and encourage repeat business. So customers are always likely to come back in the future for the services, if not recommend their friends and family. I hope you learned something from this video. Subscribe to the channel because I have more educational videos coming up for you. My name is Ishak and this is Autocare 360. See you in my next video.